Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no post. Honestly, I've not really had so much to post. That's why I don't post on YouTube anymore. But I would just like to remind you guys that we are still in the China importation business, and this is me unboxing goods I imported for my new apartment. So first thing I got, this bed sheets. They are bed spreads for the bed. I also got some jewelry. Anytime I import from China, I always buy jewelries. I'm addicted to buying new earrings, new everything, rings, earrings, bracelets, anything you can imagine. I'm going to buy jewelries from China. China is like the ultimate place for me to get jewelries. Jewelries business will be very sweet if you're importing them from China, because they're even lightweight and very easy to ship through air shipping. I also got some keychains for me and my sister for the house. I got chargers. Charger is another thing I always buy. I always like to have extra charger no matter what, so I always buy chargers from China. I like the fact that they're very long. I also got charger heads. I haven't forgotten that I ordered this. I actually bought 2 already in Nigeria, but I'll keep it for later. Then this is a mirror, a small mirror that I've been looking for since all these days. So I finally got a mirror. I broke my last one. Then I got some hair bonnets for me. When I make my braids, I want bonnet to cover my head. Then I got some underwear. I always like ordering underwear from China. Very nice too. The quality is always good. What is inside this box? I cannot remember. Okay. So I got diffuser. Oh my god, this is the worst thing I ever got from China in my life, because this thing does not smell. I used 2 and I'm not smelling anything in this house. It's not smelling at all. I even put the smaller one in an enclosed space. It's not smelling. So that was just rubbish. Then I got some t-shirts for my brand. I always like buying t-shirts from China because they have like quality shirts. Plain t-shirts for my brand. I want to print on it for my videography brand for all my staff to have. Then I also got another set of jewelries. So our harvest is coming, our Ikore is coming, and I got these earrings for that. And I also got some cups. So this cup, it was actually a mistake. I ordered it for somebody, but I mistakenly used my address instead of their address. So I got the cup. Then I got more earrings. I don't know why I always buy so much jewelry. So I got more earrings. Then this is, I cannot remember what this is. Let me open it and see first. Okay, yes, I got this diaper. It's for period, like when you're your period. It's very nice. So instead of wearing pads, especially at night when you want to sleep, or when you're at home, you can just wear the diaper, and it's very nice for period. I also got this thing for your key, to put your keys in. I got some rack. I got a rack for my kitchen. It is so nice, but I feel like it's too small for what I really wanted it for. Then my tripod is getting weak, so I had to order a new one. I remember when I used to sell that tripod, and other people have sold that tripod too. They've not complained. That tripod is the best. Anyways, I got some foot mats for the bathroom. I got slippers for the bathroom also, just to make sure that everything is, quality, and everything is actually quality. I also got rack for the bathroom, like rack for, what's it called, the bathroom shower, just to put all your toiletries and everything, and it's really nice. Then this is a rug I got. This rug is so nice, like the quality is just mad. I got the 4 rug for my bedside, and it is beautiful. Like, I love this rug so much. Then inside this is a set of plates I got. I've been seeing these plates online, and I said I must buy it by force by fire. So I bought it from China. Like, look at the plates, so heavy. The quality is just mad, so heavy. And last but not the least, I got a table from China. This table is an adjustable table. I love a table so much because you can adjust it, but the fact that I have to assemble it by myself, oh my god, this table stressed me. So this is everything I got, and it looks so small, but I spent almost 500k on all these things, and they look so small like this. Like, it's so crazy. Anyways, this is me just trying to figure out how to fix the table. I was just trying to watch. I had to message the supplier back, took a few breaks first, message the supplier, arrange the rest of the stuff, So this is the diaper. You can see what it looks like. It is very nice, like for your period as a woman. If you don't know that you can wear diapers for your period, now you know. So I'm just arranging the house here, trying to fix everything to see what they look like in the kitchen. And my favorite thing is this plate rack. I love this plate rack so much. Now that I'm looking at it, that is really small. It's even good because then you have to just put the necessary things on it, and you don't have to put like unnecessary nonsense on it, and it serves its purpose. Like, it is really, really nice, like very nice. I would recommend you buy a lot of things from China because they work well and they actually serve the purpose. If you like to join our China importation class, we still have it for 5,000 naira, and you learn how to buy so many things from China. Look at the table. I assembled it at the end of the day. Thank you for watching. Bye.